Hey everyone, welcome back to Practotech, your ultimate destination for car tech that actually matters. Today, we're diving into 5 hidden car features that most drivers around the world don't even know exist, yet they can seriously improve your driving safety and convenience. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Practotech, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video where we reveal practical car tech that actually makes a difference. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use these features in your car, whether you're in the US, Europe, or anywhere globally. And you'll probably wonder how you ever drove without them. Auto hold. Rest your foot. Keep control. Auto hold keeps a stopped car still without you holding the brake pedal. When you stop and auto hold is active, the system keeps brake pressure until you press the accelerator. That's it. No holding down the pedal in long traffic jams, no leg cramp. How it works. The car uses wheel speed sensors, brake pressure inputs, and an electronic parking brake or hydraulic control to lock the car in place. It releases instantly when you step on the gas. Some cars require the driver to fasten the seatbelt or keep the car in drive. Read the manual for model specifics. Why it matters: for city drivers stuck in stop-and-go traffic, it reduces fatigue and prevents small creep collisions. For new drivers, it removes a coordination step. You don't have to juggle brake and gas timing as precisely. For people with limited leg strength, it's a big help. Practical tips. Turn auto hold on through the car's settings or press the labeled button. Test it in a safe spot so you understand the feel. Know the limits. On slippery surfaces or steep hills, follow manufacturer guidance. Some systems behave differently in snow or ice. In the shop, technicians can check software versions and brake actuator health if hold performance drops. Fleet managers see reduced driver fatigue and less low-speed wear when auto hold is used properly. Remember that these assist systems are complements. Keep scanning mirrors and use the parking brake when parked long-term. If you're teaching a teen, demonstrate the release by lightly pressing the accelerator so they feel the instant transition. Quick tip: always verify feature operation during routine maintenance to ensure it behaves when you need it most. Teaching a young driver about these features builds safer habits and better respect for vehicle capabilities. Rollaway prevention. Simple, smart, life-saving. Think of rollaway prevention like a safety net for when someone forgets to put the car in park. If the car isn't in P and a door opens or the driver leaves the seat, the system holds the brakes automatically so the car won't creep away. For a 15-year-old, imagine parking on a slope, stepping out to grab something, and suddenly the car starts rolling. This system stops that from happening. How it works: the car watches a few signals: transmission position, door switches, seat sensors, and wheel speed. If those signals together say risk, the brake control holds pressure for a short window until you correct the gear or retake the driver's seat. It's not meant to replace proper parking habits. It's backup for human mistakes. Why mechanics like it? It prevents low-speed runaways that cause damage and injuries. For drivers in hilly cities or tight streets, it's a safety must. For DIY care, keep brake components healthy and battery charged because electronic parking functions need good power and well-maintained brakes to work reliably. Quick tip: always verify feature operation during routine maintenance to ensure it behaves when you need it most. Remember that these systems support you, but driver attention remains the primary safety tool. If you're unsure how to enable or test the feature in your car, your owner's manual or local dealer can show you the exact steps. In garages and repair shops, technicians can run diagnostics that confirm sensor alignment and software status. Teaching a young driver about these features builds safer habits and better respect for vehicle capabilities. Quick tip: always verify feature operation during routine maintenance to ensure it behaves when you need it most. Rear cross-traffic auto brake, the watching brake. This feature watches both sides of the car when you reverse and steps in if something is about to hit you. It's more than a beep. It can apply the brakes automatically if a car, bike, or pedestrian crosses behind you while you're backing out. How it works: radars or sensors on the rear bumper scan left and right while the car is in reverse. The system calculates if an object is on a collision path. If you don't react to the warning, the brakes engage to stop or reduce the crash. It's focused on low-speed scenarios like parking lots and driveways. Why it helps? People backing out often miss fast-moving cyclists or small vehicles. This system reacts quicker than a human and reduces damage and injury. Clean the sensors though. Mud, snow, or thick stickers can block them, and make the system blind. Practical demo idea. Film a safe staged scenario in an empty parking lot. Have a small vehicle or a shopping cart roll sideways behind the car and show the system warning and braking. Explain false positives are possible and drivers should stay vigilant. It's a helper, not a replacement for looking over your shoulder. Maintenance note. Sensor alignment and firmware updates are key. A dealer can recalibrate if the system shows faults. For parents teaching teens, stress safe habits. Always check mirrors and do a shoulder glance, and let the system be backup. Quick tip. Always verify feature operation during routine maintenance to ensure it behaves when you need it most. If you're unsure how to enable or test the feature in your car, your owner's manual or local dealer can show you the exact steps. Rain sensing wipers plus auto defog, clear view, zero fuss. These systems keep your windshield clear without you fiddling with controls. Rain sensors detect water droplets and adjust wiper speed automatically, auto defog watches. Cabin humidity and outside temperature, then runs the right mix of fan, AC, and defrost to clear condensation fast. How it works. A tiny sensor near the mirror measures moisture on the glass and signals the wipers. For defogging, climate sensors read humidity and temperature. Then the HVAC system switches modes to push dry air onto the windshield or turn on heated glass if available. Why it matters? Sudden rain or a fogged windshield steals your focus. Automated systems restore visibility fast so you keep attention on the road. In humid climates or cold mornings, these features prevent the split-second panic many new drivers feel when vision blurs. Tips: keep sensors and windshield clean, replace wiper blades regularly, and don't cover sensors with stickers. If the system misbehaves after a car wash, cycle the wiper setting off, then on. Some cars integrate camera input to prioritize clearing before certain driver assist actions. Check the owner's manual. For a clear demo, do a side-by-side. One car on manual wipers getting overwhelmed, the other managing itself. Explain calmly like teaching a teen. Visibility saves lives, and these systems take that job off your hands. Quick tip. Always verify feature operation during routine maintenance to ensure it behaves when you need it most. In garages and repair shops, technicians can run diagnostics that confirm sensor alignment and software status. Adaptive headlights. Light where you turn. Adaptive headlights turn the light beam toward the direction you steer, so you see the road around curves before you get there. Instead of pointing straight ahead, the headlights swivel or change beam shape to light the path, especially useful on dark, winding roads. How it works: steering angle, yaw sensors, and vehicle speed tell the lighting module how to aim the lamps. Higher-end systems use LED matrices that can dim sections to avoid blinding other drivers while still lighting hazards. The result is more time to spot animals, pedestrians, or obstacles. Why it matters. On unlit country roads or winding mountain passes, seeing earlier is reaction time you can use. Adaptive lights reduce surprise and make night driving less stressful. Keep lenses clean and fixed. Oxidized plastic scatters light and reduces effectiveness. Practical demo. Show 2 runs on a curved road, one with normal beams, one with adaptive lights. Point out how much more of the turn is visible. Remind viewers, this helps, but don't speed. Good lighting improves visibility, not physics. Maintenance and upgrades. Factory systems are calibrated for your vehicle. Aftermarket retrofits rarely match that level. If the system seems off, have the dealer check alignment and software. Quick tip: always verify feature operation during routine maintenance to ensure it behaves when you need it most. Teaching a young driver about these features builds safer habits and better respect for vehicle capabilities. So there you have it, 5 hidden car features that can save your life, make driving more comfortable, and prevent costly accidents. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, leave a comment below telling us which feature you want in your car, and subscribe to PractoTech for more videos that make car tech easy and practical. And here's a teaser. In our next video, we'll reveal 7 more hidden car safety features that almost no one knows about. So, make sure your notifications are on. Drive safe, stay tech savvy, and I'll see you in the next video.